Do you have a room you always wanted but didn't think you had the space for? This video might be for you. Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. Today I'm going to focus on combination rooms. Some might call them double duty rooms or 2-for-1 rooms. These are rooms that combine two settings in one. Space is always a premium, and it may not be feasible to have something like a dedicated laundry room for a single person living on their own, or a guest bedroom when guests barely ever stay over. Or maybe you've always wanted a laundry room, but you don't have space for one. Maybe what you need is to combine these settings into one room. These spaces could be integrated into other rooms that are more important in your own home and your own lifestyle. It's not as easy as just combining two random rooms. In fact, there are some rooms you don't want to combine, like a bathroom and a kitchen. Not a good idea. How do you select the rooms that will be combined? Well, primarily, they need to have something in common. If both rooms need quiet or private space, they can probably be combined. If both rooms need lots of storage, combining them might be a great way to maximize that storage. Or maybe they both require access to the outdoors. Plumbing is another big one. If both rooms need access to water, they could probably be combined. Except for that bathroom-kitchen scenario. Still not a good idea. I'm going to show you 4 room combinations that might have you rethinking your home's floor plan and maybe giving you back some space for the rooms you need, or maybe give you a room you thought you didn't have space for. Let's discuss. I have so many clients wanting to have a mudroom. It's usually because mudrooms tend to have lots of storage to keep coats and shoes organized when you come inside, especially if you're a large family with kids, backpacks and sneakers and boots, or in my case, maybe even a dog leash or 2, or some doggy fashion apparel. And that storage and organization would help alleviate the chaos at their front entryway foyer, where storage is at best sometimes just a coat closet, and at worst, maybe just a hook on a wall. Both of these rooms have similar needs, and everyone has an entryway, so let's combine those rooms and create an entry/mudroom vibe. The easiest way? Add more storage and hooks to your entry. Cubbies are great for kids and adults alike. Shoe storage is key to a great entry/mudroom. Let's go one step further. That coat closet could be transformed by removing the doors and using that space for a bench with storage cubbies below, hooks above, and a shelf for more basket storage and decorative boxes. All of a sudden, a coat closet just became much more interesting to look at, and definitely more organized for your coats and shoes and purses. Here are a few more examples of closets that are now wide open. But maybe your home is a bit more formal and you don't want the look of a mudroom but would love that storage anyway. These built-in cabinets are the way to go. With closed storage incorporated into the space, you can have all that storage up front by your front door and it all gets hidden behind beautiful millwork. I love the change in flooring too. Mudrooms, as the name suggests, tend to have tile flooring so that it can be cleaned easily and can take the ins and outs of seasonal change. It signals you're in a different space, not just inside your home. And here, more examples of how the millwork and the flooring can really set the tone for this space. More casual. More formal. All while providing the storage we'd find in mudrooms and the first statement you want your home to make at your front entryway. So yes, combining the best aspects of both spaces, you can achieve the perfect entry/mudroom. Okay, remember that bathroom/kitchen combo should definitely not be a thing, but a bathroom/laundry might actually work out. In fact, maybe it's the best example of a 2-for-1 room. I mean, when you shower or bathe, do you strip down in your bathroom? Wouldn't it be great to have your laundry hamper right there, or better yet, your washing machine? Makes sense, right? Washer and dryers come in great colors, so why not incorporate them into your bathroom design like these side-by-side units nestled next to the shower. I love that large surface area on top of the machines for folding and sorting. Sometimes taking advantage of awkward spaces is the key to making a combination room work even better. It's all about making the two spaces more efficient and saving space. Because of this sloped roof line, this bathroom would have had some very unusable space with a very low headroom. Integrating the depth of the washer and dryer into that space creates a clever solution to the awkward space, but also the best version of a bathroom/laundry combo room. And just when you think I don't have space for a side-by-side unit, a stacked washer and dryer is a great space-saving solution. You can definitely squeeze them into a bathroom like this. This wet room is a great example of a bathroom/laundry solution. Super efficient and clean. Or you can hide your laundry machines too. Incorporate them into a closet with folding doors so you can easily access the machines when it's time to do laundry. I love this closet design too. Lots of additional storage for extra laundry necessities, but also a great spot for extra bathroom supplies as well. These doors swing open and then they slide back into the closet so that you have full access to the washer and dryer without the doors getting in your way. And maybe you're really strapped for space, then a washer dryer all in one could be a great option. You get the best of both worlds in one machine, which means you can slide it into your bathroom design like this. Or this. These design options are endless. Are you enjoying this video? If so, go ahead and hit that like button. Share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments below which of these combo rooms you'd be interested in having in your own home. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Maybe you need more personalized help from me. You can find me on Patreon. Head over to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. Okay, we've established that a bathroom and a laundry can go together, but what about a kitchen and a laundry? Actually, this isn't all that surprising. Our friends in Europe have been combining these two rooms for a while now. It's very common to see laundry machines incorporated into European kitchens, especially since most of their appliances are more streamlined. They can easily fit right in under the countertop. I love how this has the washer and dryer off to one side out of the way of the kitchen, but still very much part of the kitchen. Or like this kitchen, with its own special laundry nook off on its own where you wouldn't even know the laundry was in the room. Just as in bathrooms, stacking your washer and dryer is also a possibility in your kitchen, and because the appliances are rather deep and bulky, locating them near other bulky appliances makes sense. You can build cabinetry around them and create that built-in look just like you would for your refrigerator. In this case, you'll want your laundry appliances to be in the same finish as your kitchen appliances for a cohesive look. And of course, you can also cover up the appliances with cabinet doors. Inside closets, or behind sliding barn doors like this one. If you're thinking about combining your laundry with your kitchen, try to keep the laundry appliances away from the cooking station if you can, but with close proximity to the sink. A bit of a planning conundrum, but getting it just right can make your kitchen/laundry the real activity hub of your home. And finally, one of my favorite room combinations is the guest bedroom/home office. Both need quiet and privacy, so they are definitely a good combo. With many of us now working from home, the need for a home office shot up on our home improvement priority list. And in many cases, having a dedicated space for working from home is a big luxury. But perhaps you have a guest bedroom that could be converted, or in this case, combined with a home office. In fact, having a room dedicated as a bedroom for a once-in-a-while guest could be considered a waste of a room, especially when that room could be used more frequently in other ways, like a homework room for your kids, or a library and a reading room, or a home office. The easiest way is to have a bed and a desk in the same room, but the bed takes up valuable real estate. So unless you have guests sleeping over every weekend, you might want to consider freeing up that space so that you can use it too. How about a sleeper sofa instead? Now you can move around your office while you work and aren't just relegated to the desk. Move to the sofa and take a 15-minute break to catch up on the news. The room now looks more like a CEO's office with some upholstered seating. Or what I love even more, especially if space is at a premium, that even a desk and a sleeper sofa in its open position might be too tight, I love incorporating a daybed into the office. With lots of pillows, the daybed looks so graceful and elegant in the room and is still large enough for a guest to sleep in when needed. And there are so many styles of daybeds too. You can also customize this room with built-ins, creating a comfortable reading nook for you, but deep enough for guests to take over and use as a bed when they show up. Customization is a key aspect of this room, especially when you have a requirement for lots of office storage like files and binder storage. By building it all into your room with custom millwork, this room is stunning even if the bed is always in place on its own platform. And then there's always a Murphy bed option. These hidden beds have come a long way. Sometimes you'd never know there was a mattress somewhere in those cabinets. This one flips the desk down as the bed reveals itself. You don't even have to clear your desk. And this one looks like a bookcase of floating shelves until you rotate the bookcase to reveal a mattress and a bed. Super clever and a great space-saving design. The key is that you get to use this space yourself more often while still being able to provide your guests with their own private space when they come for a visit. So here's your takeaway. Combining rooms can give you a room you didn't have space for, or it can create more space for rooms that are lacking. Adding mudroom storage to your entry, laundry to your bathroom or kitchen, or a guest bedroom that works most of the time as your home office instead, these are just a few ways to get 2 rooms for 1 space. Go ahead and check in the description below for other videos you might be interested in watching. Videos like this one, how to develop focal points in your home. It's been quite popular. And a big shout out to my patrons. Head over to my Patreon page to help support this channel. I've got lots of tiers, including some personalized virtual design advice if that's what you need. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. We've got new videos every week. And as always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.